Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video. So as you see the description of the video, Spice was nominated for the 64th Grammy, guys. Also Shenseea featured on Kanye West done the album, it also nominated. So stick around, remember to subscribe and like. Alright guys, so you don't know earlier yesterday the results them come out who nominated so far the best reggae dancehall album. Them a Spice so far. You don't know Etana, Gramps Morgan, Jesse Royal, Dirty Paul, you see me? SOJ Life. So far, I mean, yeah, it awkward for now see who should I really did it took the Grammy thing funny. Feel like top prize alkaline thing. I know that. I'm not go afraid for talk about the album. They still feel like that miss you guys. Comment what you think. Anyway, so Shenseea make sure post VR thing said way, cause you don't know she say even when she don't feel like at our best said way, God send the blessing said way. So we're happy VR said way, you know that go. You see me? And also we see RT Boss repost our thing. You see me? And the repost him go post it they can know. Always rate time, man. Him say she had a new dancehall queen. So this is what him say. Him say, good morning world, my money on the table, argument done. My new name on point boss. Game over right there. New dancehall queen, 4 nominees. Grammy is a must. History in the making. Come bestie, come remember me did tell you. Don't stress it. So anyways guys, you know say Spice I got you a lot said we, and it just look good for no said we, cause nobody now bash her. We just say the right thing, and you know the right thing shall follow said we, but it's a good look.
Grammy nominated, baby! Besties, we did it! Wow! Oh my God! Besties, we did it! Besties, we did it! Oh my God! We did it. We did what they said we couldn't do. Besties, we did what they said was impossible. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. We did it. Oh my God. She's my mother have to boil my dumpling today. Mama have to put on a pot of dumpling for me today. Yeah. May I tell you? Me say me run. Baby, bestie, we did what they said was impossible. I said this last year, 2020, and I'm going to say it again. When man say no, God say yes.
Amen.
Let me just say it again. Because my besties, them know say, I said this 2020. When man say no, God say yes. What I did today is not normal. You know why? Because they said it would never happen. Because they said it was impossible. I am just the living testimony to you guys out there that anything is possible. Besties, I love you. I love each and every one of you. If I could just travel the earth and hug each and every one of you who I see cry on the internet for me, who fight for me, who speak this into existence, who told me that this was possible. Yo, they said it would have happened. I love you guys. Shaggy, you're my hero. I know you're tired to hear I tell you that I love you. But I'm going to tell you today again, Shaggy, I love you. I appreciate you. You're my hero. There's a lot of people to thank. And I'm going to take my time. I'm going to go through them one by one. Because Even though a whole heap of people fight me, and even though a heap of people bring me down, there's so many people out there who love me, who push me, inspire me, who believed in me. And today, I'm Grammy nominated. Hold on. Let me play my song again. Me a sweat, hush. Me a sweat. Hold on, bestie. Hold on, bestie. Hold on. Sign with ranch, now with my bent and me know what time for me take it and create history. From the bad to the bone to me chocolate tone. Me hear them a moan, enough of them a run around. Undisputed queen to the zone. Comfortable, well sit down in a me throne. They said it was impossible. I know the next one. Friends, let me find friends. Let me find friends because the way they try to bring me down. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me find friends. Besties. I know I've had a lot of friends out there who try to stop me and who try to bring me down. My friend is here today. I want to show you Mida. This is Dr. Mida. When I always hear me and say, put some respect on her name. This is Dr. Mida. Because all along, me swear say she like the name Doctor while she say, I'm Dr. Mida. And I never take it serious until I go around her yard and see the girl big degree on her dresser. Big doctorate on her something. We went to Africa. Most of you remember when we went to Africa for her birthday. And we were on vacation in Africa. And she's a member of the Grammy board. And she got the email and she was saying, tomorrow is the deadline. I have to submit you. That's it, submit? Mm-hmm. She said, tomorrow is the deadline for Grammy. I'm a part of the Grammy board. I'm going to submit you. I mean, I was doubtful, to be honest, because sometimes we make society and people put a doubt in our mind, say it's impossible. Say, you know, people say it's impossible. I'm going to leave it at that. Because remember, me always say, me a little Gracie, you know. Little Gracie. So me said, Cho. And she said, no. I'm going to put it in and never know what can happen. And this is Dr. Mida. She sat there. And remember me telling her, say, we forgot outside, go swim. We forgot to take picture with the giraffe. I'm excited to see the animal them outside. The monkey bite me on my finger. I never forget. And the girl sit down and type. She type them, ask some questions. I never know. Say somebody could have sit down on one computer for nearly 5 hours. Thank you. It's okay. I'm happy for you. We did it. She believed in me from day one. She believed in me even when I was probably listening to society out there that a day like this wouldn't be possible. Little Gracie. And she submitted. And because remember, this is not like my fans didn't have the opportunity to vote. This was just people who, like a certain, you know, kind of people who was a member of the board. And so I feel like because my fans wasn't in it, I felt like people would have been biased against me. And I felt that way because them always biased against me. Oh my God, I'm happy. I don't want to cry with you today. I want to just celebrate. So, because people always fight me so hard, I just, you know, I felt like it was impossible. Ooh. So yeah, because we get so much fight in a dance hall, and because the fight just always come from every angle, like people just get up every day and say, let me figure out how we can tear down Spice. So I felt like it was impossible, but anything is possible. Anything is possible.